In offshore construction, every weld counts. Strong, precise connections ensure the safety and durability of offshore structures. Here at Aker Solutions in Verdal, the Voortman MO Classic is revolutionizing offshore jacket production, reducing welding time, improving quality, and most importantly, ensuring first-time right production. Achieving high-quality welding connections starts with precise bevel preparations. The MO Classic delivers perfect offshore bevels for optimal weld penetration and minimal filler material, reducing welding time while enhancing structural integrity. Simply put, this machine ensures first-time right production. But with our offshore stud designer, we revolutionize first-time right production one step further. We are able to scan the main pipe, registering all of its irregularities, and convert this into an optimized 3D model. This 3D model is sent to the machine, enabling it to adaptively cut the stub's offshore bevel. This process is a game changer. It guarantees precise bevel angles and a perfect fit, which in Aker Solutions' case is absolutely crucial. Behind this wall is a fully automated, hyper-modern factory dedicated to producing offshore jackets by welding stubs automatically. Working with these huge structures, a faulty offshore bevel can quickly render a whole main pipe useless because of its inclination. Therefore, in this business, small mistakes have huge consequences. And as you can imagine, if there is one holdup at the start of an entirely automated process, it ruins the efficiency of the entire line. We ensure this does not happen, enabling Aker Solutions to automate their jacket production. All in all, the MO Classic saves valuable time in material handling and welding prep, allowing you to focus on production, not rework. Furthermore, it ensures first-time right production, which is absolutely crucial for Aker Solutions. Looking to reduce welding time, improving quality, and automate your workflow? The Voortman MO Classic is your solution. Visit our website at voortman.net.